Let's quickly cut across to live visuals coming in on the celebration of the BJP's Founders Day, which is underway in Gujarat. Sharing the stage with Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi is BJP President Rajnath Singh. Modi rolled out the red carpet for the BJP President. He personally went to the airport to receive Rajnath Singh. Rajnath is visiting Gujarat for the first time after becoming the BJP National President. Both the leaders will be addressing the party workers at Sardar Patel Stadium in a short while from now. Well, remember, before landing for Ahmedabad, the BJP President tried to do a balancing act in Delhi when he paid rich tribute to party patriarch L.K. Advani. In the backdrop of clamour for Narendra Modi as a Prime Ministerial candidate, Rajnath Singh claimed that the BJP can never repay Advani for his contribution to the BJP. Well, many believe that this event is a show of strength for Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, who is by many counts being positioned as the BJP's Prime Ministerial face for the 2014 polls, and the endorsement and show of solidarity from Rajnath Singh, with whom he has been known to have differences in the past, really is being seen as a significant step towards Modi's ambitions for post of Prime Minister in the near future. Both of them putting a united front in the backdrop of factional feuds and fissures within the BJP becoming increasingly apparent over the last few months. Well, earlier we heard from Rajnath Singh and L.K. Advani, both of whom were speaking at the Founders Day celebrations in Delhi. Let's listen in to what they have to say.
जब तक हम श्रद्धेय अडवाणी जी का एक बार तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से अभिनंदन न करें, स्वागत न करें, तो मैं समझता हूं कि स्थापना दिवस को एक समारोह के रूप में आयोजित करने की हमारी सार्थकता पूरी नहीं हो पाती। कैसे जिस्म का पसीना इन लोगों ने बहाया है। आज तो हम हवाई जहाज से चलते हैं, आज तो हम एयर कंडीशन गाड़ियों से चलते हैं। 3 टियर की बात तो छोड़ दीजिए, आम रेलगाड़ी के डब्बे में बैठकर यात्रा करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी की विचारधारा को निचले धरातल तक पहुंचाने का काम श्रद्धेय अटल जी, श्रद्धेय अडवाणी जी जैसे नेताओं ने ही किया है। अडवाणी जी, आपके योगदान को हिंदुस्तान की भारतीय जनता पार्टी कभी भूल नहीं सकती है।
Well, let me go across to Atish now, who joins us for all the latest on this story. Atish, a lot has been said about how Advani has been sidelined in the BJP, but Rajnath Singh came out to make some very strong points endorsing Advani. At the same time, this sharing the stage with Narendra Modi in no uncertain terms really elevates Modi to center stage. All right, I think we are having trouble connecting with Atish there, but we will get you, Atish, in just a minute. Rajnath Singh, of course, has been facing quite a backlash over including Narendra Modi in the parliamentary board. There have been differences in the past between the two. However, Rajnath Singh has been putting up a united front. Mosiki now joins us live for more on this. Mosiki, very interesting. Rajnath Singh now putting up a show of solidarity with Narendra Modi when the two have not really been seeing eye to eye in the past. Mosiki, if you can hear me, very interesting that Rajnath Singh is putting up a show of solidarity with Narendra Modi now, despite their differences in the past.
જ્યારે આજે ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટી 1951 માં ભારતીય જનસંઘની સ્થાપના થઈ ત્યારથી લઈને આજની ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટીની વિકાસની યાત્રામાં અનેક એવા દેવ દુર્લભ.
All right, we're having trouble connecting with Mosiki. We will connect with our reporters in just a bit, but let me quickly tell you that this is the big event, which is by many counts a show of strength by the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, a lot has been said about Modi being projected as the prime ministerial face for the BJP. Let me go back to Mosiki. Mosiki, if you can hear me, Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi in the same platform in a show of solidarity, when not so in the distant past, both of them couldn't see eye to eye.
સમાજની વચ્ચે ચાલતા આપણે
We are here
આપણી
at the
સાથે
Ahmedabad
ગજગજ ભુલાય.
Sardar
એ પ્રકારે
Patel Stadium
સમાજની
where
આંખમાં આંખ
almost
મિલાવી
50,000
અને
people have
ચાલી
gathered. You
શકીએ.
can see the
એ
kind of
પ્રકારના
crowd which has gathered
અનિશ્ચિત
here
પ્રમાણિક
at the
નેતૃત્વ
stadium here in
આપણું
Ahmedabad.
ચાલક
Narendra
પડ
Modi
રહ્યું
and
છે.
Rajnath Singh
અને
have
એના
just arrived. They have
સંસ્કારોના
just made
કારણે
it to
હું
the
તમે
dais.
આજે
And
ગૌરવની
in a while
સમાજ
from
જીવનની
now,
વચ્ચે
both the leaders,
ભારતીય
Narendra
જનતા
Modi as
પાર્ટીના
well as Amit
કાર્યકર્તા
Shah,
તરીકે
will be
આપણે જાત્રાઓ થવાનું ગૌરવ
felicitated, and
મિત્રો,
they will be giving
આ
out
ગુજરાતની
speeches as
અંદર
well. It
મને
is
કહેતા
also
ગૌરવ થાય
going to be a very remarkable
આપણે
event here, considering that this is the first time that BJP leader Rajnath Singh is here in Ahmedabad after becoming the president, and also Narendra Modi, who has been inducted into the BJP's parliamentary board, are sharing the dais together for the first time ever. It remains to be seen if Rajnath Singh overtly and brazenly comes out and nominates Narendra Modi as BJP's prime ministerial candidate. However, it's only a matter of time before both the leaders come back. Both the leaders address this huge audience here in Ahmedabad where this event is taking place. Let's not forget that this is BJP's Foundation Day celebrations. However, this is one of the biggest show of strength by the BJP party and by Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi.